Hi, my name's Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin', and today I'm going to show you some of the cool new features that we added to Cookin' that will make you awesome in the kitchen. Check this out. As I scroll down the live recipe feed here, I see this recipe. This is actually the most captured recipe in the last 24 hours, and it looks really interesting. So I'm going to tap on it. I want to know what all the hoopla is about. Ooh, chili lime chicken wings. Who would have guessed that mixing maple syrup, chili sauce, and lime juice would make chicken wings taste so good? Now that sounds pretty good. Yum! Chili lime chicken wings. Interesting. Now here's something that's pretty cool that we added. At the top of the screen, we added an address bar, so you can tap that to copy this web address if you want to keep it, or you can paste in a web address there if you happen to know the web address of a recipe web page. You can actually type in a search term there as well, and Cookin' will do a Google search. So that's a cool improvement. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just tap Capture and let the Cookin'ells do their magic. Okay, I'm going to save this in the Side Dishes chapter here, and I'm going to tap Show Me the Recipe. Cool, so now I got this recipe in Cookin'. And when I want to make this, I'm going to scroll down to the directions where it says cut wings into 3 sections, discard wingtip sections. Okay. In a large saucepan, combine the maple syrup, chili. Okay, so then when I'm making this, I got to scroll up and go, okay, 1 cup of maple syrup. And my fingers might even be messy from cooking, and from handling those chicken wings. So now I'm holding my phone and I'm scrolling on my phone. I got to scroll back down. Okay, 1 cup maple syrup, check. Chili sauce. Now I got to scroll back up. How much chili sauce? 2/3 of a cup chili sauce. Okay. And then lime juice. Oh, how much lime juice? Okay, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So, you're scrolling up and down as you're preparing the recipe, right? You're reading the directions, and then you got to scroll back up to the top to see the amounts and so forth. So here's what we've done. Are you ready for this? If you tap Sync on the bottom navigation bar, then you can get to some of the settings and configuration in the app and so forth. We have this feature called Smart Directions. I'm going to turn this on right now, okay? And now when I tap My Recipes and go back to my recipe, check it out. The directions are now smarter. So now the directions say, in a large saucepan, combine the maple syrup, 1 cup. So as I'm preparing this recipe, right there I know the amount. Chili sauce, 2/3 cup. Lime juice, 2 tablespoons. And mustard, 2 tablespoons. Oh, man. Yes. Look at this. Meanwhile, in a large shallow dish, combine the flour, 1 cup, salt, 2 teaspoons, paprika, 2 teaspoons, and pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Add wings a few at a time and toss to coat. So look at that. I can prepare this recipe now without even touching my phone. I don't even have to scroll up to the top and then scroll back down and then scroll up and so forth. So that Smart Directions feature is pretty handy. I gotta hand it to Cookin'. It's a pretty smart app. Cookin' is putting the smart in smartphone apps.